A bizarre hidden fact: a single human sneeze can launch up to 40,000 droplets into the air. In a dim, forgotten subway, those droplets drift like tiny ghosts, tracing routes through stale air and unseen names. Tonight, a silent vending machine spills secrets instead of snacks, coins clinking as whispers spill from the metal. Strangers pause, their reflections in rain-soaked tiles reveal faces not theirs, borrowed for a fleeting moment. If memories ride on mist, who decides which voice you wake to tomorrow and who vanishes forever?